Hi guys, I'm officially gonna make a emoji cut, but this is not, I'm not copying it. I'm not copying it. I'm just searching it. You know, here, and you tap that. You tap the picture and go to search YouTube and search emoji cat, and just scroll and find what do you want. So that's all. So that's all how to make, and I wish I can tutorial, but no, I cannot. I'm just gonna tutorial this to my BFF, and they are gonna, and my BFF is gonna tutorial. Lonely. Tomorrow have a pasok.